So I tried to polish it. I made a mistake of not putting a green tip when I did apply the silicone one, GE silicone number one, like this ones. I will probably dry this, and I don't know, maybe uh, I will have to put in some silicone number one here too, just to make sure, because this side, this is the bottom, and you won't see anything on here. But yeah, so you won't see anything from here, just to make sure that it's sealed, especially these corners. But inside is already sealed, and then I'm gonna put substrate in there. I'm gonna put sand because I'm gonna do a plant on this one. This is the GE silicone number one. I already used everything from here. Used up everything. Used up everything for this one. So I need to buy another of this. Make sure it's the silicone number one and made by General Electric. So looking at it, this side has the plug in here. Maybe I can use a. So this side is the ugly part. This side I think is the ugly part. But yeah, so I will try to check which side is the one that I'm going to paint. So I've decided this part has the tip. I remember there's a sticker here on top, so I'm just going to choose this side that I will paint the black one. I still have the hopefully I have the black. Spray paint. Yeah, I still have the black spray paint here. So I'm gonna use this one here. Okay guys, moment of truth. So, I have to shake this valve properly. The tape is not good anymore. I hope it won't go in this part. The tape that I bought from Costco is losing its adhesive. So yeah, let's do a light one first coat, then we'll go from there. So that's our first coat, guys. I will have to go, but definitely you can see the GE that I applied is not perfect, but it is gonna be the back. So I'm not too sure. Maybe I'm also gonna do the bottom. Try to do the bottom, just to make sure that there's nothing in there, and maybe it will help seal the thing. So yeah, first coat of the background. So back and bottom done. It's gonna let it dry. See, this is the sides, this is the front. I'm just gonna let it dry for now.